Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a game pass on Roblox. First of all, go to roblox.com. Now you have to go to in create, click on create tab, and now you have to go scroll down, and now in the experience you have to go to your by default experience, click on it. Now if you're on the phone, make sure to enable the desktop mode on the browser, and once you browser and just follow the same process. Now you have to open the menu if you're on the phone, but on PC it is automatically open. Now go to an associated items. Associated items. Go to this. Now you have to go to this passes and click on create passes. Now the form page will be open here. Now you just need to you can change the image of the game pass, and if you don't, it will this image will be used as a by default image. So the image upload optional is right now, and after that you can enter the name of the game pass. Let's do that. So like I'm gonna put first pass. Fine. Now enter the descriptions. It is just for the dam. Now you have to click on this create pass tab or button. Once you click on this create a pass button, now your game pass will be created. So now you just need to click on it. You can change the name again. I think it didn't accept the name with numbers, so I'm gonna name it as B down. Now click on save. Now you also can go to in sale to configure it. Go to sale. Now you have to click on this toggle button to enable it for the sale. Now enter the price in Robux. So I'm gonna enter the 200. Now click on save change button. Now once you're done with this, now your game pass has been set up for the please donate game. You just need to go to the game in please donate game and look for any empty stand, and where you have to list your game pass. If someone is buy your game pass, you will be rewarded 70% out of it. So yeah, that's how it works. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.